Joining us on the telecast and sharing those details. Moving on to some news coming in. BJP leader Shehzad Poonawalla comes in support of Parvesh Verma. His letter to Atishi over making Sheesh Mahal for public view, and says when COVID was prevalent and the people of Delhi were waiting for oxygen and food, Arvind Kejriwal was busy building his palace. So we've been seeing that this is the latest attack on Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, and now Shehzad Poonawalla has also reacted to this, and he's also joined in. Earlier we have seen Parvesh Verma, he has written a letter to Delhi CM Atishi over this Sheesh Mahal row that has been escalating for quite some time ahead of Delhi Assembly polls. And now we're seeing another party member of Bharatiya Janata Party has launched a scathing attack, Shehzad Poonawalla, and he has stated Delhi will also get, during COVID there was no support that was offered by Aam Aadmi Party, and that it should, when it comes to Parvesh Verma's suggestion about the fact that Sheesh Mahal should be declared as a tourist spot and it should be open for public to see. Now we've seen that Shehzad Poonawalla has stated that that's a good suggestion in fact. And we continue to see that this amid this ongoing, earlier viewers, we've also seen Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he launched a scathing attack on Arvind Kejriwal on the Aapada row that we have seen, and after that Arvind Kejriwal also reacted to that, and we continue to see this political war of words escalating amid this comes ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls. We also have with us my colleague Mehendi Garg joining us on the telecast. Mehendi, in another political war of words, we have seen Parvesh Verma, he has written to Atishi, and now we're seeing Shehzad Poonawalla, he's also chimed in, and he's also stating that it's a good suggestion to declare Sheesh Mahal a tourist spot.
Well, indeed, Ria, ahead of assembly polls, there is a war of words between the political parties. We can say between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, and the issue of the alleged Sheesh Mahal that BJP is continuing to, put forward in front foot and targeting the Aam Aadmi Party along with Arvind Kejriwal has, once again letting up because of the CAG report that has came. And on that, various reactions are coming and various statements are coming from the political leaders. And Parvesh Verma has written a letter to the Chief Minister Atishi to, make the Sheesh Mahal of Arvind Kejriwal public. And on that, Shehzad Poonawalla also showed his agreement and said that this is a very good suggestion, giving the, promising candidate Parvesh Verma has written the letter to. And also he mentioned that how, and not only him, Ria, not only Shehzad Poonawalla, but BJP also released a poster today saying that when COVID was prevalent and the people of Delhi were waiting for oxygen and also food, then and there Arvind Kejriwal was busy building his Sheesh Mahal. So these are some of the allegations that BJP has put today also, and in a statement Shehzad Poonawalla also mentioned that. And then, talking about the CAG report that has come, on that also, Shehzad Poonawalla said that the report has also come, and why not make this Sheesh Mahal of Arvind Kejriwal public and also open it for public viewing so that the truth comes out. And not only this, BJP is targeting Arvind Kejriwal, saying that people should see that how Arvind Kejriwal, who in 2013 has given an affidavit saying that he would live in a small house, is using a commode worth rupees 4.5 to 5 lakhs, and apart from that, also the amenities are worth rupees lakhs in his Sheesh Mahal. And also, agreeing to the Parvesh Verma's letter that he has written to Atishi, then Shehzad Poonawalla also made a statement that she should accept this suggestion. And also when now Atishi and Arvind Kejriwal are both in power, so the Delhi government is going to have a revenue deficit for the first time in the last 31 years. So on this issue also, BJP targeted Aam Aadmi Party. And talking about the Sheesh Mahal, which is a major issue, we can say, amid of these assembly polls, then yes, the BJP has demanded to make the Sheesh Mahal public and should be open for public reviewing so that the people of Delhi can understand the situation likewise. Yes, Shreya.
All right, Mehendi, thank you for that. Let's in fact also listen into what Shehzad Poonawalla has said on this row.
देखिए, ये बहुत अच्छा सुझाव हमारे होनहार प्रत्याशी परवेश वर्मा जी ने दिया है कि जिस प्रकार से जब कोविड छाया हुआ था और दिल्ली वासियों की लाशों पर जब दिल्ली वासी ऑक्सीजन और खाने के लिए ताईमाम कर रहे थे, तब अरविंद केजरीवाल अपने शीश महल को बनाने में व्यस्त थे। अब सीएजी की रिपोर्ट भी न्यूज़ के माध्यम से सामने आई है, क्योंकि असेंबली में तो टेबल होने नहीं देते, कि किस प्रकार से कॉस्ट एस्केलेशन 3 गुना ज़्यादा हुआ, किस प्रकार से करोड़ों रुपए की मार्बल लगी, क्रिस्टिन डियोर वाइट मार्बल, किस प्रकार से करोड़ों रुपए के पर्दे, लाखों रुपए के टीवी, लाखों रुपए की रसोई, करोड़ों रुपए इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन में, और इसमें धांधली का भी एक बहुत बड़ा एंगल है।
All right, another news coming in from Delhi. Delhi police